Traders, Gates W. Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. It is Friday, excuse me, March 3rd, 2023. We're talking about trading today. Trading does involve risk. Please make sure you understand what you're doing before you do it. All right. A little earlier than usual today. It's about 10 after 10 right now. My normal call that I do on in the mornings just kind of unexpectedly didn't happen. Otherwise, I would have probably tried to be here a little earlier. Anyway, let's see here. Let's get the feed going here. Well, normally it's just a little easier. There we go. Trying to get there. And that is yesterday's. There we go. All right, that is today's. And we are off to the races. Okay. Whew. Okay, so if we take a kind of a peek back, I mean we're at a pretty solid high for a while. I mean it has been crying out loud. Did I just freeze it up again? I think I froze up my 30. I did it earlier. It wasn't what I was trying to get done, but there you go. All right, so we're having a pretty solidly rangy morning so far, and looks. Oh, let me get to the right feed here. Crying out loud! There we go. All right, so we're not quite at the high. We were up here at like past the 0.7 deviation level. We're down now below the half. Or no, I'm sorry, we're a little above the half right now, but kind of right at it. And we have an absolute upward trend going here. We are clearly struggling at, let's see here. This is what I did this morning. I just kind of killed my 30-tick chart. That's what I get for trying to look at too much information at once. I'll address it. It won't be a big deal. In the meantime, the two primary that I'm looking at here, I cannot see anything that's going on that 30-tick, but got it like 3 days on there. 2 days worth, I guess. Yeah, that's just too much information. Okay. So, well, let's just have us a little look and see what goes on here. It's moving very, very slowly today. Yeah, fun days like this. Okay. I mean, we've moved for sure through the course of the day, so we're kind of having a lull, and it may have something to do with my charts. I don't know, but you know what? Let me get these out. I don't need these. All right. Let's see here. There we go. Let's just fix that. There we go. All right. Well. All right, we're gonna see about closing this workspace, and I may have just frozen everything up. I don't know. Oh, dear. think it's safe to say I've frozen everything up. I really hate it when this happens. But we're going to have to address it. So, bear with me. I mean, I think we're safely at the point where it's just screwed up, right? Where's my dang task manager? Oh, there we go. All right. All right. We will end it.
Connection.
Start over. No. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay. Let's try this again. And we'll try not to mess with my 30 tick and try to look too far back, because apparently that's a problem. Alright, let's see here. Not pop my charts. No. So first of all, let's close the workspace. No. Alright. And we'll get our connections up. And you can see my alright. Let's see. Let's log into RTrader for our rhythmic, which is not actually how I get a connection, but whatever. And let me get that kind of squared away. It doesn't really actually need to be open. Okay. Oops, no, I don't. Okay, so let's get connected here, rhythmic, and IQ feed. Whew. Alright, both connections are up, and let's open this dang workspace again. No. I have multiple screens. I don't know why NinjaTrader doesn't understand that. My apologies for this unfortunate waste of time. Let's at least make sure the feed is seeing what it's supposed to be seeing. It is. All right. While we're doing that, we are going to handle a couple of things here. In the meantime, All right, maybe we're almost back up. Everybody's got an opinion. All right. Still calculating. Clearly we have made a move. Hit at least a relatively immediate high. And started the move back down. So let's see what happens here. All the way back up to that 0.7. Look at that. Alright. Chop, chop, chop. Alright. I think we are. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, I mean we're in officially a downward trend, but we're just hovering. We're not doing much of anything. So let me just set my parameters here so that I get what I want. Not what it wants to show me. Okay, well, let's see where we go from here now that we finally have everything up. That's kind of nice. Oh, let me just make sure I have my dynamic magnets and stuff showing. I do not. At least I'm quicker at finding that out than I used to be. Where are you? There you are. Refresh. Refresh. And refresh. Okay. There we go. Well, now, oh, okay, all right. MQ is deciding to actually move again. Okay. Approaching that high, busting through it. Ugh, okay. I really don't want an elevator here at the top. That looks like it's blowing through that resistance band up there. I mean, yes, that resistance band. So, well, that's 2 taps on that high. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, well, that happened super fast. Oh.
Target filled.
All right. So, bit of a start there. Okay. So, we've grabbed that, and we have nothing but blue sky up ahead. Okay. So, with that in mind, oh boy. That's an everything, and that's a top. So a retrace seems pretty reasonable here.
Order filled.
I don't know how much of a retrace, but I think I'm going to just stick with the standard scalp. Ah, come on.
Target filled.
I'll take that one. We are clearly fighting resistance, but in an aggressively upward move. Yeah. Nah, I really don't
Order
want that one.
canceled.
Okay, let's see here. Where are we? Do we want to try to take a nice little push? I think we do.
Order filled.
All right. We won't go all the way to the high, but I think we want to let this baby go for a minute. And be ready to close at any moment. We are absolutely having a fight on this one. Oh, come on. There it goes. Let it go. Let it do its thing. Let's push it, baby. Keep going. Keep going. We just busted through that. And push through, push through. Yep, we got it. I say we got it.
Order filled.
We're just going to be done with that. Whew. Yeah, I will take that. That was a nice one. Okay. That one created a little bit of anxiety, but man, when we get in, we actually did get that flip. I should probably be more aware of those things. I'm working on it. But let's just make sure that that first one, I don't think that first one got had. I'm not sure. Let's see here. Where are you? There we go. Screenshots. What's today? The 3rd? Of course it's the 3rd. Yeah, it got. Okay. All right. So, there you go. Not a bad day. So 3 for 3. I'll take it. Up 245, I will definitely take it. This puts me back at an all-time high after a 225 drop yesterday. The 3 commissions on that have more than been absorbed. So let's pull up the here we go. Let's pull up the transaction history for the of course it's not there. There we go. Oh, look at that, such a big screen. Okay, you can't tell, it's all the same size for you. So long scalp, clearly we were in a long trend, so boom, came up, hit the target. We had a retrace off of the absolute high. I mean, I don't know about ever, but the absolute high of the day so far, certainly since open. And we got pretty much all of the signal there, so that ended up being a nice solid. And then we took a trending move off of a low risk entry from the Simplicity chart and really targeted this high. We would have gotten it. Look at that. But there was just a point where it was just getting a little goosey for me. So here where we were struggling, I think is where I went ahead and took it off here. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, took it off here before we made it all the way up here because we were definitely struggling right around here. Clearly a point where we had absolutely struggled before, so seemed like the right thing to do. I was already up. Let's see, I had 90, so what was I up? How's my math? 155, right? On that trade. So anyway, put me up 245 for the day, put me into a new high on the evaluation. Day 8 complete and going into the weekend. So anyway, I hope you're having an awesome trading day as well. Put up some greens and let me know how you guys are coming along and if there's anything that you'd like to see as we go through this process and continue. So, and there it goes, pushing again through that high. So kind of figured that was going to happen. It was looking pretty aggressive. So we're going to go ahead and let the market just do what it's going to do because I am done for the day. Appreciate you guys. Love y'all. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend. And if you're in the backstage, I will see you back there. Oh, quick note. Yesterday, I said that I would pull up my trading journal stats in the backstage yesterday. I didn't. I'm sorry. My apologies on that. I got finished up, and I'm like, yeah. So I will do that today. So we'll get that taken care of. And updated as well. And if you're not in the backstage, sign up free at gactradingpro.com. Just scroll down, you'll see where you can just get signed up for that and get access. And you can see basically my evolution since day one, at least of this go round, because it had been years since I really was trading, and it was really, for all intents and purposes, a fresh start. But anyway, you can go back to that day one and kind of just check out my recaps each day and just see how the process has changed and grown and everything since then. So anyway, again, appreciate you guys. Love y'all. God bless.